Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to download and install the Hayday application on your device. To get started, you need to open any Play Store or App Store that is available on your device. Once you open the application, on top of the screen there is the search bar. Tap on it and you need to search Hayday. So on the search section on top only you will find Hayday application. So you need to tap on install button highlighted on blue on color. Tap on it. So according to your internet connection it will be downloaded. If you have any storage problem then the notification will be shown like this to free up space. So you can tap on continue button and easily free up the storage, and later you can download and install the Hayday application on the device and enjoy the application. So the application will be installed soon on your device. Once the application has been installed on your device, then it will be shown available on your home screen of the device. Then you can enjoy the application. Thank you for watching.